Dynamic SLR was founded with the goal of bringing incredible quality to the Texas solar market, and it remains a top priority today. Leading with a tech-enabled approach to designing and installing solar, we've adopted the most accurate and efficient processes along with the safest survey methods possible for the technician and the homeowner. Here are the 5 high-level steps to a Dynamic SLR site inspection. First, the site technician knocks on your door and introduces themselves. They will confirm with you the details of the project. Once all set, they'll go and set up their equipment. The first area for inspection will be your structural components, including looking in your attic, taking rafter measurements, and confirming the integrity of the roof. Next, the technician will review your electrical components. This includes the main service panel and taking off the dead front to check your breakers and capacity. They will also document information on your electrical meter and any other electrical equipment. The fourth step is an external analysis of the property and roof. This includes a drone flight, where the technician will take several hundred high-resolution photos of your house and any surrounding trees to do a complete analysis of the project. All of this is done to make sure that your project can be installed safely and efficiently, so there are no delays with permitting and the results you agreed to are the results that you get on install day. True accuracy is crucial for your solar installation to be successful. Drones equipped with advanced technology capture real-world measurements of your roof and surroundings. Unlike traditional methods of hand-drawing roof measurements still used by most installers or relying solely on remote satellite imagery, the drone's precision and the accuracy of Scanifly's platform ensure a solar solution tailored to your needs that optimizes energy generation potential. Our field teams use the drone and Scanifly's mobile app for detailed data collection, speeding up project completion and minimizing disruption to your daily life for our site visit. The Scanifly solar design platform then generates photorealistic 3D models and visualizations of your property. This allows for better design choices and provides accurate information for you to make an informed decision by understanding the impact on your home's aesthetics and energy offset. Start your solar journey confidently with clean, renewable energy for your home by allowing Dynamic SLR to visit for a site survey and drone flyover. Contact Dynamic SLR today and take the first step towards a brighter and sustainable future.